Welcome to Herbs 101. I'm your host. Most cooks treat herbs like decoration, but these are the soul notes. The volatile living edge that turns food from good to unforgettable. That's Herbs 101. Let's fix your basics. Part 1. The fresh versus dry rule. If it's tender like basil, parsley, or cilantro, you use it fresh and late, right before plating. If it's woody like rosemary, oregano, thyme, drying intensifies the oils. These herbs love long cook times, stews, roasts, red sauces. The biggest mistake, tossing fresh basil into boiling soup, it dies. You kill the flavor you paid for. Part 2. Handling, chopping, and storing. Store fresh herbs like cut flowers, a glass of water in the fridge, or roll them in a damp towel. Dry herbs, cool, dark, airtight, chop with a sharp blade. Don't bruise them. Cilantro should never look like a salad spin or crime scene. Part 3. Flavor pairings and uses. Basil loves tomato, garlic, mozzarella, cilantro. Lime, chili, cumin, clean, global heat. Dill wakes up, cream, fish, potato. Thyme plays low, woodsy, subtle. Add it early and let it ride. Use herbs with intention. They're not garnish, they're language. Now I challenge you to drop in the comments what herb you're mastering this week. Next dish you make. Pick just one herb and let it lead. Use it fresh, dry, or both. But make it count. Can't weigh. And finally, don't forget to like, share, and save this for the next time you almost killed the basil. I'll see you next time.